Hi guys, welcome back to Tracup. This week, our IT team refined our filter features according to our customer feedback. So, in this video, I will introduce how to use this brand new filter feature. Before starting, I would like to introduce our FIFA World Cup template for Qatar 2022. If you are a big fan of FIFA, or you want to get some information such as team, score, group stage, start time, or information like this, you can find this brilliant template in our template center. Just simply type in 2022 and this template will pop out. Click it and apply to workplace to see a detailed information. Now, let's go back to our topic. You can find the filter button on the top right of the project. Click it, and you will find every category in this project. Choose a subject that you want to filter, such as November 25th. And everything related to this status will come out. Or you can combine two filters together, such as November 25th or November 28th. You can even do more. For example, you can add a creator that related to November 28th and November 25th. You can combine as many as options together just to satisfy your need. Or if you have a more detailed request, you can find our advanced filter. Just click it and hit add filter condition. Find a category and you can choose this category include or not include a specific task such as 26, or you can choose not include November 26. That means everything other than November 26 will come up. Just as the quick filter provides, you can also combine different requests together, such as creators. You can choose not to include somebody, or even add more. Finally, you can save your filter options for the next use. This is all for today, and I hope you will enjoy our new filter features. See you next time.